What's up, lifers? I want to thank y'all again for the 1,000K subs. And this is how. 2 or 3 months ago, I did maybe even longer than that, 1,000 sub giveaway video. I want y'all to go back and look at it. It'll be in the top of the description. I'm not sure if that's still what I'm going to do. Y'all give me some feedback if that's what y'all want, or maybe a gift card, or maybe some baits or something like that. I think a gift card would be better because not everybody fishes that watches my channel. But y'all just let me know. I'm out here grinding while I spice that treatment. I won't tell you about the big fish I've caught so far. Oh my gosh, it was a monster. Y'all have to watch to see. Opening day of bow season. It's already about 85 degrees. I'm glad I went fishing. Alright, we'll come back with some fish catch here in a little bit, I hope. It has been a slow morning so far. Not a bite. Y'all probably gonna have to watch it anyway. So I'm gonna announce my giveaway for 1,000 subs today. What we're gonna give away. Yeah, we finally got us something anyway. Y'all look at that monster. Yes, sir. It's better than a 0. Not much, but it's better than a 0. Yes, sir. There's the first dink of the day. It's a fish. This is the kind of day I'm having. Just doing something different. Alright, lifers. It's kind of a slow day. Caught that one monster. This video really wasn't about fishing. This video is about what do y'all want for the 1,000 sub giveaway. Go down the link in the description and watch that video. Tell me if y'all want that or if you'd rather do a gift card. I think I would rather do a gift card right now just because it's just not fishermen that watch my channel. Everybody can use the gift card. If we, from now on, every video we get more than 100 thumbs ups on, we're gonna do a giveaway. Wow, fish are jumping everywhere and I can't catch one. That's the way it goes. Alright, like, share, subscribe, do this. We need these. That helps a lot. Full watches help a lot too. I can see on my analytics, my average view time is less than 3 minutes, and all my videos now are over 7 to 10 minutes. So, help me out, get my watch time up. Y'all help me out, got me to 1,000 subs. Help me out and get my watch time up. Alright, we gone.